I've had such a bad day and I do not like candy at all. And I have to review this candy. I sure don't like it. And it won't help my muscles whatsoever grow.
Hi friends, it's Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun. And we're so excited today because we get to taste test and review a giant SpongeBob SquarePants candy cane and its green apple flavor. Right now, SpongeBob is kind of grumpy about this, but we think he's gonna love this. We're glad you're here, SpongeBob.
Thanks. I think I'm glad to be here too.
Well, you don't look very happy. Let's take a closer look at this candy cane. This box is so cool. There's a really happy SpongeBob on the box. Definitely doesn't look like the grumpy, muscly SpongeBob we have here. Here on the back side of the box, we see Patrick. This box is really cool because there's a space where you can write to and from, so this is great to give as a gift. Here's the nutrition facts and a list of the ingredients. Let's open this up. This candy cane is green and white, and it has the cutest SpongeBobs all over the wrapper. I don't know how you can look at this and not smile. I'm going to open this up and let SpongeBob take a lick. Here you go, SpongeBob. So how is it?
It's actually not that bad. It kind of tastes like green apple. I really like it.
SpongeBob, it looks like this candy put a smile on your face.
Oh, it sure did. I really like this candy cane. It's so good.
I heard you say earlier that candy's not good for your muscles. That's true, but isn't it fun to have just a little bit of candy every once in a while?
Oh yes, most definitely. It definitely tickles my taste buds and makes me happy, SpongeBob.
So I can really tell this candy cane put a smile on your face. Would you recommend this for an occasional Christmas treat?
Oh, absolutely. I love it. The kids would all love it too.
Guys, it looks like we all love this giant SpongeBob candy cane in green apple flavor. So if you like candy canes, green apple, and SpongeBob, we think you should check this out. This is Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, where we love taste testing junk food and candy and playing with toys. If you like this video, please click subscribe and we'll make more. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope to see you again